In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily enable announce calls feature on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off head over to settings, then scroll down until you find phone. That's where we can easily find announce calls feature. If your iPhone is lying far away and someone calls you but you can't look at the screen, you can turn on the call announcement function and then iPhone will voice the phone number or name of the contact who calls you. To set up this feature, we need to get into it. Here we can customize when this feature will activate, for example, when we are wearing headphones, or when we are wearing headphones or we are in a car, or we can choose to always activate this feature on every call. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.